Hey everyone, we are going to do a science experiment for liquids today. It's called the liquid race. So you have to go around your house and find 3 things that are in liquid form that you can do a race on. First, you need to get a cookie sheet. I put some tinfoil on and I've already chosen mine and I put milk, ketchup, and ranch. So I know which one's which. Got all that ready. I've got my ketchup here, got my ranch here, and my milk here. Now that I have all that, I have a spoon because you have to put a couple of drops of each on each line before you pick up your cookie sheet. One thing I like to do first is go through the questions on the form that Miss Leva or Miss Smushko have given you. That way you know what that you have to answer. So a couple of things that we're going to have to answer are, I have it here on my phone, ready? It says, record what 3 liquids. Easy, write down the 3 liquids. Then you're going to watch for what did you see happen with each liquid when you tilted the surface. So you're going to have to observe and use your eyes. Which one ran the fastest? Which one ran the slowest? And why? Ooh. Next question is, what are some conclusions about liquids? And then do you have any other questions? Okay, now we know what we're looking for. I am going to carefully put a couple of drops of each substance on my cookie sheet without making a mess. Okay, I'm going to do the ranch first. Couple of drops. I better not spill. I'm going to do it over the sink and always make sure, you should probably have an adult with you when you're doing this. If you don't, make sure that you're picking some liquids and stuff that are safe. So I'm putting about that much ranch on. Got to put it on my ranch spot. Okay. I'll wipe that off quick so I can get some ketchup on there. Blech. All right, a little bit of ketchup right there. And then I'll wipe that off. And then a little bit of milk. All right, let's see if I can just get a little bit of milk. Milk's a little bit harder. Okay, I'm going to do it quickly because I know exactly what's going to happen. Ready? Can you see it? My ketchup is over on the left, the red one. My ranch is in the middle. And here comes the milk. I'm dripping milk everywhere. This is milk. Can you see the rest? All right. There you go. That should give you a good example of what our liquids are doing. All right. I really did get milk everywhere. It's a good thing I only put a couple drops. Okay, so remember the things that we need to know. Which one ran the fastest? Which one ran the slowest? And some conclusions. So some of the conclusions you could probably think of is, did they keep their shape? With liquids, they keep the shape of the container they're in. This ranch is in the shape of ranch right now. My milk is the shape of this container right now, right? But if I put it on my spoon, it was the shape of my spoon. I don't know where my spoon went. I'll get another one. So again, if I put my milk in the spoon, it is keeping the shape of the spoon. It is no longer the shape of the container. So that's one thing you have to pay attention to with liquids. And then you have to pay attention to the flow. If you notice, the milk went, the ranch and the ketchup were a little bit slower. So what was with that flow? Those are all things that you need to keep in mind when you're doing your liquid race. So have fun. Make sure you're choosing things that aren't dangerous, like oil or gas or crazy things, and have fun.